so welcome to Monday's Maths, our first lesson of our video tutorials for our mathematics. Today then, we're going to start with sequencing numbers. Now, what does sequencing even mean? Well, in this case, we're going to start with the smallest number and we're going to put in the biggest number last. I've got a range of numbers for you to sort in your pack. But it might be a good idea, before you get to do this, that you count through and see if you can remember 1 right through to 100. Ask your adult helper if they can listen to you to make sure you are in the right order, in the right sequence, and that you've not missed any numbers out. So once you've done that then, let's have a little look what you're going to do today. Now, to help you out, I've done one on a whiteboard first. So I've got 24, 5, 9, 3 and 7. Now they're definitely not in the right order. And I know that because 24 is bigger than 5. And it's got some 10s in the number, it's got 2 10s. So let's have a look which number's going to come first. So I'm going to top the board down so that I can write and make sure that my numbers are formed the right way. Make sure yours are too. Ooh, so counting in my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I've got to 5 first. Oh, typical, the pen's dodgy. 5, so I've used that one. Carry on. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that's my 7. Can you see I've made a mistake? And I've done that because I haven't checked all of the numbers in the row. I've just looked at the first 2. So when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you look at all the numbers in your line so that you don't make the same mistake as Mrs. Bentley Jones. Now let's see if I've got a better pen. So I've spotted that 3 is actually my smallest number. Then it will be 5. Then it will be 7. What's going to come next? 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I've got a 9. Which leaves me with 24 as my biggest number. Now, if you've counted right the way up to 100, well done. Let's have a look at this one with some bigger numbers. We've got 10s and 1s here. And we need to be looking at the 10s column to see which has got the most 10s, and that will be our biggest number. So starting with our smallest number, which has got the least 10s. So that is this column here. Ooh, that's only got 1 10, so I'm going to put that first. That's got 2 10s, so I'm going to put that second. Ooh, 3 10s, 37. 4 10s, 49. And 5 10s, 55. And I've gone from the smallest to the biggest. So, on your sheets then, these first 3 are exactly for you to fill these in the right order. So have a look at all your numbers. If you've got this sheet, there's a little bit of a challenge at the bottom. And instead of it being in squares, it's a slightly different format. Now, if you're in my math set, you've probably been familiar with this. And then as an extra challenge, it asks you to make some of your own. Or maybe your adult helper will write some out for you to have a go at. If you've got this sheet, you're going to fill in the squares. But if you wanted to challenge yourself, you could ask your adult helper to give you some extra and have a go. And finally, if you have got this sheet exactly as we've done here, you're going to write your answers underneath. Hope you enjoy this activity. Happy counting!